I will say I am allowed one interesting perspective. Being able to be on top of people's houses. You see the neighborhood in a whole different light. Yesterday I built a fence gate and here it is. I'm going to be building a fence gate today in this hole. Now this is a little bit more than 5 feet. Ain't no way I'm going to put a 5-foot gate in that because it's going to just drip down over time and it's just going to be rendered useless. So I'm going to go ahead and extend the fencing by putting in a 4x4 post, concreting it in the ground, putting in some decking boards there because they use deck boards instead of picket fence boards. And then I'll install the gate. So let's go ahead and dig our hole. Got our hole dug, got our post in. Now we're going to concrete it in. Definitely need to make sure that our post is level. Got the framing built, and so I'm gonna add a little extra in the center here for support. I'm gonna go ahead and mark that and this one, and we'll go ahead and get it cut. Good job. All right, got it built. Now it's time to attach it. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and extend this fence. Put some 2x4s in, put the boards on this, and then I'll attach it. That way it gives it extra security. All right, so I got my post established. It's not moving anywhere. I can go ahead and put my deck boards on it. And then I already had put these on. So when you put these on, you want the door, you want this side to be up higher than this side. And so the gap on this side is smaller than it is down here. And then also you put the hinges not exactly level. You put them up like this. So that way over time, this thing is going to sink down. And that's going to help it not do that. And it's a heavy door, so you put 2x4s underneath it there to help hold it up. And when you bolt in your hinges, you can go ahead and kick these things out of the way. So I'm going to go ahead and finish putting on my latch over here, screw these in, and that'll be that. Oh, I got to cut this thing off too. All right, everything is assembled. That's it. Fence gate. Here's some random thoughts. I saw this truck pass by me a while ago, and I've seen this guy before at the Home Depot or Lowe's or somewhere at the hardware store. But as he passed by, it was a nice truck, and I know that he does what I do. Well, I have this feeling, this sense of like, man, why do I feel like I'm poor? Because I'm driving in an older vehicle and I don't have a lot of my tools, you know, like I need some upgrades. Let's just say that. I need some upgrades. But I carry around this mentality of me being poor. I'm like, why? And I thought, and then I had this feeling of the sensation of like the customer I'm about to go see, like I should step into this role of like, I'm not poor, I'm not a poor man, like I know what I'm doing, I'm in charge, I'm the boss, and I want my customer to feel that sense of me being secure and confident and rich in character and strength and all that. And so then I thought, good God, that's just pride, man. And the answer to being confident and having that feeling of richness is to trust the Lord. Very truly, trust the Lord. Let Him do it. It's literally agreeing with what God says about you. We're sinners. We miss the mark. And obviously I'm missing the mark by thinking that I'm a poor man and feeling that sense of depravity. Well, if I try to do it in my own strength, if I try to be confident and have that feeling of like I'm exalting myself, basically. And that's gonna get you nowhere. The key is to just agree with what God says about you. It's believing. Life is all about belief. Believe that God says that you are a saint. Believe that He exalts you. Believe that you can walk in humility, which is strength under constraint. I'm driving right now. And I'm also driving a standard, so I have to shift the gears. So in conclusion, humble yourself under the mighty hand of God. Believe what He says about you, and He will exalt you into the position of confidence and strength and richness. And He'll supply everything you need. That's it. Random thoughts.